First thing that Consumer Report says is finding a trustworthy contractor matters most. Now, when they say finding a trustworthy contractor matters most, I mean, that would, more important than price or brand or anything. Why do you suppose so much emphasis is put on the contractor and finding the right contractor?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Well, here's the reason why. Number one, as I mentioned, these are complex systems and they have to be designed properly. And they have to be designed by a professional, someone that's highly skilled and highly trained. Another thing to consider is this. When you look at the heating and air conditioning industry, there are maybe half a dozen manufacturers of the components and 50 different brands. What does that tell you about the components of the system?
Well, they must have a lot of the same components in them.
You have major manufacturers that design a lot of the components, and various manufacturers, add their twist on it. And there's differences in manufacturing and quality of manufacturing. But at the same time, any of the systems, the major brands that you would look at, are going to be very reliable and operate properly if they're designed and installed properly. And as you'll see later, there's a lot of complex things, a lot of detailed things that go into a proper installation of one of these systems. And that's why they say it's all about the contractor, not necessarily the brand of equipment.